Happy Books Studio presents. Learn to Read, Goodnight, Bird. A Learn to Read book for kids ages 3 to 5 years by Happy Books. This is Bird. Bird is happy. It is night time and Bird is ready to sleep. Shh. Bird tries to sleep but a wolf comes along and makes a noise. Bird tries to sleep again but an owl comes along and makes a noise. Bird tries to sleep again but a frog comes along and makes a noise. Bird tries to sleep again but a cricket comes along and makes a noise. Bird has an idea and pops out his flute to play. The wolf hears the song and comes to sleep near Bird. The owl hears the song and comes to sleep near Bird. The frog hears the song and comes to sleep near Bird. The cricket hears the song and comes to sleep near Bird. Now that Bird has sent all the animals to sleep, he can sleep too. Good night, wolf. Good night, owl. Good night, frog. Good night, cricket, and good night, bird. Get your kids to learn to read with our Sight Words storybook series. Introducing the Happy Birds Touch and Read interactive ebook series. These books come with voice narration and sound effects. Also introducing the Happy Books Learn to Read Sight Words storybook series. These series has both the ebooks and paperbacks version available. These books are available on Amazon and our website at www.happybooksforkids.xyz. Check the video description below for links.